What's up, everybody? We're gonna be speedrunning Tokyo Disneyland today. Here with me is Jack. Jack is a huge Disney enthusiast. He's gonna be taking us around the park today to show us everything we can do. So we're a little before park opening, but Jack, what is gonna be our first ride on the agenda?
Our first ride is Pooh's Hunny Hunts. Let's do it.
Woo! Let's go, Walt! Literally walking into a storybook is crazy.
We are riding in honey pots. Are you joking? That's cool.
Let's go on Pooh's. All right, guys, that was Pooh. Wow, as you saw, that was some of the best set design I've ever seen. I don't know if Jack felt the same.
I was blown away. I thought the set pieces were absolutely crazy.
It was so cool. And now we're gonna be on our way to none other than the Haunted Mansion, a classic favorite of all Disney enthusiasts.
Disney classic.
Let's see what Japan has to offer. Let's go.
God, that is so creepy.
部屋が伸びているのか、それとも諸君の目の錯覚なのか。など、いやも全くない。
Oh my gosh, Haunted Mansion, are you serious? That was like the coolest thing ever. I love that ride so much.
Haunted Mansion's so good. I like that a bit better than the American ones.
All right, guys, next up we're getting Beauty and the Beast. This is one of the newest rides here. I've heard some amazing things about it from these guys. I have not a clue what it is, but we're gonna go try it.
That's what this?
I didn't know that.
Haha, what? Let's go. Holy crap, dude. That ride was one of the coolest dark rides I think I've ever done in my life. That was amazing.
That is easily one of the best dark rides in the entire world. Do not miss that when you come here. It's so good.
So good. And dude, the Beast animatronics in there, are you serious? Not even just the transformation. Every single Beast animatronic was crazy. The pre-show, it was so realistic. I don't even know, guys. That was so cool. Holy crap. Let's move on. All right, next up, I don't know where we're at with the speed run, but we are now headed to
Pirates Caribbean.
Let's go.
Yeah, one of the most iconic attractions Disney's ever made. So I'm really excited to see a Japanese version of it.
Anything special about this one?
No, I think it's more close to the Magic Kingdom version than it is the Disneyland version. So I'm interested to check it out.
All right, let's go do it.
With you guys, especially with my family.
After this, we gotta head straight to.
Let's go.
We're all just thinking about how amazing.
Pirates, dude, a classic. A lot of you have ridden that. Basically the same as the ones we have over at United States Magic Kingdom and Disneyland, but nonetheless really cool. Now we are headed to Monsters Inc. Monsters Inc. I believe is at the front of the park, and because I'm coming in mostly blind with the speed run, Evan, do you want to tell them like maybe 10 seconds of what this thing's about?
Yeah, it's Monsters Inc. Hide and Seek. It's kind of like a shooting dark ride a little bit, but a different variation, so you'll kind of have to see when we get on it. But it's a really cool because it's one of the only Monsters Inc. rides left, especially now that Disneyland is going to be removing theirs. So I'm really excited for this.
Check it out, dude. There it is, the Monster Factory.
We have these. I don't know how to activate these flashlights, but we got them. Oh, that's so sick. Whoa! Whoa, this thing is low-key crazy. Oh, there we go. Point at the animatronics. There we go. That's why it's ride and go seek. That makes perfect sense. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. That is so cool. These animatronics are crazy. Oh my god, whoa! Dude, wow, all these animatronics are over the top. There's so many. There's an animatronic inside of an animatronic. Are you out of your mind? Whoa! Holy crap, holy crap.
ヘルメットの次は落ち葉
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! What the hell? Oh my gosh! Whoa! That's unbelievable! Oh!
He's saying goodbye.
Oh, that's so cute.
新しいヘルメット
That was so sick. Are you kidding me? Bro, Jack, that was awesome, man. That was so dope. Wazowski, have you filed your paperwork? Yo, Monsters was so sick, actually. Are you kidding me? Dude, the flashlights are so accurate for hitting targets. Then, like, the animatronics pop up and stuff. It was great.
Yeah, bro, that was like overstimulating. So much stuff to see.
So overstimulating. Next up is none other than Star Tours. And Jack and I in particular have a great appreciation for this ride, not just because we grew up with it, but also because we're a huge fan of the Star Wars franchise. It's
Theme of the original trilogy. How could you not love it? Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Yes, R2. I'm sure it's safe for droids.
Boys, ready for Star Tours?
Go.
Alex? Woo! Yes. Star Tours was low-key fire, even though it was in Japanese, which is kind of funny.
Fun.
Oh, it's so good. Who's ready for some food? Let's get some food. Okay, I don't know if we're eating here, but look at this. It's like the better cosmic rays. Are you serious? That's insane. All right, we figured out where we're gonna eat. It's a place called Gaston's. It's by Beauty and the Beast. I don't know much about it. The boys found it, but we're gonna try that out. Here we go, guys. What was this meal called?
The assorted plate, so it's like a pretzel dog, chicken, and then some type of ratatouille with potatoes or something.
So awesome. And I got nice coffee. Might I add that each meal was literally $10. Like, it's so cheap at this park. It's real. Oh my gosh, guys, that food was actually so good at Gaston's Tavern, wherever that place was. It was great. But hey, let's move on now because guess where we're going? The Toontown Kiddie Coaster, Gadget's Go Coaster. Woo!
It's so old school. I love it.
So old school. Iconic to growing up. And also, can we acknowledge how sick the Toontown is here? Oh my gosh, the floor's like squishy. Oh, it's so cool. They've done a fantastic job with this. I'm just so blown away by this park. It's amazing. All right, that was one of 2 coasters in this park. Next up is
Roger Rabbit.
let's continue on with. Hey, you ready for the spin?
Roger Rabbit. I hear this one has Jessica Rabbit on it. I can't wait.
Let's go! Great. Hey, check it out. Let's go! Thanks. Woo! The end. That's all, folks. Just kidding. We're not at $6. Roger Rabbit. What everyone think? What the crew think?
That was great. I love Jessica
Such
Rabbit.
a good dark ride. Such a good supporting dark ride.
So good.
And we are in line for Pinocchio. This is another Disney classic. I'm excited to try the one here. I don't think there's any differences. Oh, classic introductory scene. Oh, Pleasure Island, really. I love this scene. It's one of my favorite scenes in like any dark ride ever. At all Disney parks that have. All right, this scene right here used to scare the crap out of me when I was a little kid. Oh, Moby Dick! Oh man, Pinocchio is a top tier dark ride, but we're gonna keep moving on since we're in Fantasyland and more dark rides. What's the next one?
Snow White. I'm really excited for this.
Snow White's supposed to be actually really creepy. I think this one has a lot of the original effects that we used to have at home.
You'll notice this looks quite a bit different than Disneyland because it's kind of like Magic Kingdom's opening day version where it's actually really scary and they haven't modified it.
Since opening, right? It's
Oh,
been
yeah.
the same. Yeah. Ready for top 10 creepiest dark rides? There she is. Oh, that is really creepy. What? Oh, that's terrifying. Whoa! What? That is terrifying.
Imagine this is a little kid.
Yeah, for real. Oh my gosh. Yo, Jack, was that still troll as you thought?
That was so troll and like low-key scary. I can't imagine doing that as a little kid.
More castle views, just cuz. Next up is a classic that we used to have again at Disneyland, which is
The Country Bear Jamboree.
in Japanese, and it's got some really cool animatronics, some cool songs. I'm sure a lot of you OGs remember this thing.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, there it is. Might be back in Hickory.
一人で全部食べるの。どこに。
Jamboree is so cool. I love those animatronics. Oh, it's great. Jack and I are gonna get a snack now, and then we are off to do the boat and the train. And to be honest, I'm not really sure if the train or boat's any different than what we have, but I am down to check it out. So I'll show you guys and take you along with me. How's that?
It's elite.
Sick. Snacks acquired. Time for the train. I'm so excited to see how this stacks up next to the one we have at Disneyland. Let's go. Oh yeah, Thunder Mountain, baby. Yo, they actually have dinosaurs in this one. What the heck? And we're back, but what's next?
We're gonna go do Jungle Cruise, so very iconic attraction. Let's go.
Big family favorite here. Here comes the joke in Japanese about the sleeping zebra. I have no idea what she's saying, but it's definitely about the sleeping zebra. OG Jungle Cruise! Woo! OG Jungle Cruise, let's go! Okay, this is a new scene for Jungle Cruise. What? Wow, that everybody's cute. Hey, shout out to our lady. She was so animated. That was great. Let's keep going. What would a day at Disney be without a ride on Thunder Mountain? You ready for this?
Oh, I can't wait.
Yes, there it is. Iconic.
Don't use too much of it.
Yeah.
I won't even lie, dude. That Thunder Mountain was dope.
Yeah, it was cool. The finale was awesome with the double down. I love that.
Oh, the finale was great. The theming was rad.
Oh,
that was
yeah.
unique.
It reminded me of Yellowstone. That's sick.
Yeah, 100%. It was super cool. All right, guys. It is time for something very near and dear to me, Mark, and Jack's hearts. And that is none other than Splash Mountain. Tokyo Disneyland is the last Disney park in the world to have Splash Mountain. Splash was just a thing we all had as kids. It was kind of one of the rides that made us enthusiasts, and
Emotions are running high. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, it's a childhood favorite, so I'm so hyped for it.
oh my goodness, guys, there's the mountain. Oh my gosh, nothing can explain, seriously, just how nostalgic this ride is for me. Oh my goodness, we're almost to the front, sort of. Sweet. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there it is, guys. The logs. I'm so hyped.
We made it.
We made it. Splash Mountain, baby. We're back on Splash Mountain after all these years, guys.
Oh
Let's go. Check this out. This is awesome. Look, the fox and the bear. Brer Rabbit, dude. Let's go. Whoa! I got it every time. Oh no! No! Ah! The whole gang is here. Here it is, guys. Splash Mountain.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Whoa! No! Oh my gosh, that's a lot of damage. That was a lot of water on my camera. Wow, great.
Great take, stop.
I don't know if you guys can see us, but we're pretty soaked.
Wow, that was a lot of water. Holy
Jack, you stoked?
Good.
So awesome, dude. I love this ride. Splash Mountain. Still laughing.
The best diss possible to Disneyland and Disney World. They are not still laughing at all.
Oh my gosh, guys, you probably can't even see me, but getting back on Splash after like growing up with that ride and it being closed since 2023 was so amazing to actually experience that again.
Are you joking me? That was unbelievable.
I'm so sentimental for that ride, and I think this is the best one out of all of them. This is a top 3 ride for me ever.
Yeah, Splash Mountain's amazing. Oh, so good. All right, guys, next mission. Alex and I are gonna hit Small World. Let's go. Might as well get this Small World credit. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. I was looking at debating doing this or not, just because like I'm not a huge fan of Small World, but Q is my favorite of all of them. It's kind of a mix of Disneyland's and Walt Disney World's. Check it out, guys. It's not Alex. I'm really not like the biggest fan of Small World, to be honest, but it is pretty cool, and I get why a lot of families really enjoy it. I missed that. I knew I missed something. mean, Small World was about what you'd expect, but we are gonna speed run over to get some quick food, and then we are gonna finish the night on Splash Mountain. I will take you guys with us for that real quick. Let's go try some of this food over in Tomorrowland though. Well, I think we made it just in the brink of time. I can see the guy waving his wand. Splash Mountain, last ride of the night. All right, guys, we just got off Splash. What an amazing ride. I missed it. So, hey, we did it. We pretty much got park completion today. I'm so stoked. Thank you so much for tuning in. Next up, we're gonna be Disney Sea tomorrow. Yeah! So, yeah, the boys are all stoked. So glad we got on Splash. This was an amazing park. It's probably my second favorite Disney park so far. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's do it. All right, guys. Oh, what the